Okay, good morning my dear students. Hope you all doing good. So yesterday we have started with a new chapter and the chapter is radio program and that is the third chapter, alright? So in our previous class I have already given you an introduction about radio and also we have learnt about how do we write for the radio or radio scripting. So this we have already done in our previous class. So today we will learn formats of radio program. Alright, formats of radio programs. So there are certain factors to be taken into account for making a radio program. So if you are going to make a radio program, you have to keep in mind certain factors, okay? Without knowing all these factors, without doing a survey, without knowing the facts about the area where you live, you cannot make a radio program. So you think of a village or a town in which you live. Some live in rural areas, some live in urban areas, some live in semi-urban, some in metro cities, right? So you find people belonging to all communities and different men and women live in such communities, rich and poor, young, old people, alright? So radio plays a very important role in the lives of the people, especially in India. So there are plenty of rich people and highly developed cities, but a majority of our people are poor and large number of them cannot read or write. So the only medium that can really reach them to inform, to educate and to entertain is the radio. Alright, so radio is the medium through which we can reach the vast number of population, especially in India, who are illiterate, and we can inform them, we can educate them, and also we can entertain them through the medium that is the radio. So radio stations, especially those run by the government, perform a public service duty. The requirements of listeners of radio stations are not the same. So the requirement, it depends upon the listener. It is not same, it is different. They have different requirements. To serve them, we need to know many facts about them. Let us now make a list of what we should know about the audience. So the people who listen to the radio, the target audience, we should know the facts. We should make a list before making a program. Okay, so factors to be taken into account for making a radio program. Number one is number of people. So we should know the total population of the area. Number two is number of men and women living in that area, that is the sex ratio. Number three is literate and illiterate people. We should also know how many people are literate, how many people are illiterate in that certain area. Number four is language. We should know the language spoken in the particular area. Maybe some may be knowing Nepali, some may be knowing Bengali, some may be knowing Khasi, Urdu, okay? So we have to know the different language, the people living in the particular area. The fifth point is school or colleges. So the school may be a private school, the school may be a government school, it may be a primary, it may be senior secondary, okay? So we also have to keep in mind what kind of school they run. Also the colleges, it may be a management college, it may be other kind of colleges. So these factors also should be kept into account. Number six is children going to school. So whether the children, they are attending the school or not, at what age the children they are going to school. So these factors have also are to be kept in mind. Number 7 point is health facilities, okay? So availability of doctors, if the doctors are there or not in the area, availability of primary health centers, clinics, hospital, this also should be kept in mind. Number 8 point is any major diseases. So the people living in that area, do they suffer from any major diseases like maybe malaria, tuberculosis? Okay, so this also has to be kept in mind. Number 9 is religion. What religion do the people in that area follow? They may be Christian, they may be Buddhist, Hindu, Sikh, Isai. So this also has to be taken into consideration. Number 10th point is power supply. So the people living in that particular area, do they have the adequate power supply, or they don't even have any electricity? So this also has to be taken into account. Number 11 is nearest radio or television stations. So if they have any nearest radio station, like here we have the nearest station is Kurseong, All India Radio Kurseong, right? So this also has to be taken into account. Another point is climate of the place, whether they live in a hot climate, whether it is moderate, whether it is a very cool place. Okay, another point is, 13th point is occupation of the people. The main occupation, what occupation do they follow? 14th point is income per head, that is people below poverty line. This also has to be taken into account. 15th is road and transport facilities. So whether the road has been, they have the connectivity of road or not, whether they have transport facilities or not. Number 16 is irrigation facility. And 17 point is number of people engaged in agriculture or other occupation. And number 18 point is the factors that should be kept in mind is type of crops. The people, what kind of crops they grow, maybe rabi crop, kharif crop. Okay, so this also has to be taken into account. So these are the 18 points that has to be taken into account for making a radio program. You can also add many lists as you can if you want to make a program for that particular area. So we need to know these facts to decide the language. So the type of broadcast, timing of the program, etc. So radio formats therefore are decided on the basis of the need of the audience. So you need to make the radio program according to the living condition of the target audience. So after doing the survey about all these factors, then only you can go forward for making a radio program. Alright, so this is the factors. These are the 18 factors that has to be kept in mind before making a radio program. Now we will do types of radio program. Hope everyone remember or has heard about at least one or two radio programs. The program on the radio. So if you have heard the name of the radio station from where the programs are broadcasted, many of you would remember Vivid Bharati, All India FM Gold, or some private commercial stations like 93.5 Red FM, Radio Mirchi, Radio Misty, Radio Rainbow. Alright, so these are the different kinds of radio stations. And also we have some local radio stations like All India Radio Kurseong, All India Radio Gantok. It is also known as Akashvani Gantok. So these are different radio stations from where the programs are broadcasted. Now let us learn the different types of radio programs. Basically, there are two types of radio program, or the radio program are classified into two broad groups. Alright, so number 1 is spoken word program, and number 2 is music or sound effect program. Okay, let me repeat once again. Two type of programs are there for radio. One is spoken word program, and the second one is music or sound effect program. So by the name spoken word program, you can make out that it is written for the ear and not for the eye, because in print media and in magazines you read the whatever it is written, the article, the news story, drama, anything, the feature stories you read, it is written for the eye. but in the case of radio program, this is known as spoken word program because it is written for the ear and not for the eye. And the second one is music or sound effect program. So sound effects are artificially created or enhanced sounds that are used in artistic works to emphasize or express on action, mood or feeling. So there is no visual, alright, in the radio. You have to listen. Anything that is being broadcasted, you have to listen by your ear. There is no visual in the radio program. So if there is the sound of thunder, if there is sound of anything, like there is okay, let me give you an example. There is a thundering sound. So you can only hear the thundering sound. So you can make out that there is a lightning. You can just visualize that there is lightning going on. It is going to rain or it is raining. So by hearing the sound effect, you can make out the situation. And also another example, like if there is an animal sound, like if there is a moo of a cow, then you can make out that there is a cow, but you can't see the cow. You can just visualize, you can just imagine that there is a cow. You can listen the moo of the cow, but you can't see the cow. So the sound effect or the music in the radio program is very, very important. And it plays a vital role so that people can visualize, imagine. Okay, they can imagine what kind of program is being broadcasted in the radio. Okay, so spoken word programs and music or sound effect programs may include news bulletin. Okay, these are the different kinds of program of the radio: news bulletin, talk shows, interviews, announcements, commercial and public service, documentaries, dramas, features, commentaries and music based. So these are the different program that is broadcasted in a radio. These are the different radio program. So we will learn in detail about each program on radio in our next class. So this much for today. Have a good day. Thank you.